tí ń wá ọmọlé kí ó fúnra wọn káàkiri báyìí o. Assalamu alaikum guys. So mo jáde nsìn, I went to buy a wedu this evening with my son. Inspire Aisha and Wale ni mi àtọmọ mi. So while we were going, we saw someone. The person said a teslim to me, and I said walaikum salam, and you know I left. So but she already enter one bob. Bí mo tún ṣe rẹ́ nìkan bẹ́ẹ̀ ni she tẹ̀lé mi ni pé assalamu alaikum salam. I'm like ṣáà pé mo ń wọ dání. So I stopped. He now said ẹ jọ̀ọ́ má bínú o, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ màfà ni mi o, mo nílé kéwú ni o, ilé mi bye. He was trying to describe where he lives, and I'm like okay. He now said gbogbo àdúgbò yìí àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ọmọlé kéwú ibi táwọn ń gbé tẹ́lẹ̀ táwọn ti wá pé ọmọlé kéwú pọ̀ ní àdúgbò àwọn yẹn pé bíbá yẹn sì pé converti ló pọ̀ jù pé most of them Muslim ni wọ́n dẹ̀ ti di Christian tán, and which is true pé àfáà tó ń júwèé fún mi pé church kan lókè ń bẹ́ yẹn ní gbogbo wọn lọ, which I know the church and I can relate because when I got here the woman in that church also came to me. In fact, the woman too is a converti, Muslim ni woman yẹn tó pé àwọn parent ẹ̀ tó ń bí Muslim àbí àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀gbọ́n sì jẹ́ Muslim di bá ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. So woman yẹn wá ń sọ fún mi pé Muslim làwọn báwọn ṣe wáyé àmọ́ kádùrá ṣáà ti gbà níbẹ̀ yẹn ní church àwọn wọ́n ti ṣáàjì ọdún. She came to me that I should buy clothes. Me I bought it but I did not sew it. In fact I gave the clothes out to someone. Bẹ́ẹ̀ pé mi náà jẹ́ nìkan tó jẹ́ pé kinní ni èmi náà ti máa fọ́ kinní, which I understand. Afáàyàn kí n jọ ọ́ pé àwọn rí pé mùsùlùmí ni pé àwọn ọmọ mi tó bá fẹ́ wálé kí ó pé àwọn ò dẹ̀ gbowó money here. Oh my God, ti di wọ́wọ́ báyìí o. Àfáà tí wọ́n mọ ilé kí ó fúnra ara wọn. Assalamu alaikum.